What's up YouTube? So we are back with another video. Today's video is a little different. We are wrapping this BMW. He is going from this blue to a satin metallic white. I want you guys to see what it looks like now. We are doing 450 piece race lights, changing the color of the calipers. They are blue, but they're really dirty. He's doing white on the calipers. All the logos are going to get wrapped black. Further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to wash the car first, and then we're going to do the disassemble process. So we are currently removing the wheels just so we can clean all this really good, since we are painting it, and it would be really hard. Well, obviously we got to paint. We'll take the wheels off anyways, but we can clean the calipers a little more easier with the power washer with the wheels off. So let's go ahead and remove these wheels. Check this out, y'all. Oh my god. Video, bro? These wheels together so we give it a thorough clean. Yeah. Check this out, y'all. Oh my god. We're gonna get it right though. Got the wheels together. Let's go ahead and set it up with this power washer.
And I can see the sky, we're so close now, we're flying. But there's so much more. There's so much more to do. As long as I got you. As long as I got you.
You're so lame.
That's how they're supposed to look. You guys can see, October 18th. We hope to have this car done by this weekend.
Let that shit ride, 88.
you guys can see, it is prepped. This is coat, no need to go heavy. Now, for the last caliper. Now I'm gonna let this dry about 15 minutes, spray another coat. So while the calipers are drying, I'm actually gonna start taking the car apart. So let's go ahead and get started on that.
Yeah.
Headliner is coming out. Could you pop that hook for me? It's right there. 2 times.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be.
Nice. One bumper is off. Second coat. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and disassemble the rear. Now it is time for the color. Now if I was doing this red, this is also the same step. You would do white coat before red.
On 300,000, but I still can't duck this street life. So much on my mind.
That's gonna wrap it up for today. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Alright YouTube, so as you guys can see, it is the next morning. Let me go ahead and show you guys what we got done so far. We got the calipers done. The car is fully disassembled. I'm about to send this off to get painted, and then once I come back, I can start the process of wrapping the car. But let's go ahead and get these parts loaded up in the truck. I'm gonna drop them off. Then I will see you guys then.
I can't even sleep right. I was in the blinds and I finally see the light. It was time I thought about giving up, but I kept on fighting. Wonder why they did me, how they did me, that one righteous. Spent thousands on these lawyers, pay my bro, don't get indicted. Just trying to shake these demons out my body, I can't fight it. If I ever say this shit was easy, I'd be lying. I've been having nightmares of a nigga dying. Every time they try, nobody drop, so nigga try again. So we get a drop, let it die, we tryna slide in. Put that bone spots, if I could, I'd tell them die again. Bitch, I'm tired in. Got a bad little vibe, she from the island. Told her if she ride with me, she can get whatever. So my diamonds on her belt, she say, I'll make you wetter. They ain't can. They gon' sign with Future, we got free bands. Still remember back when I had 3 bands. I jumped in the streets, now I'm too deep in. I asked you.
Alright guys, check it out. Rear bumper is finished. Only doing the front bumper, doing the inlays as we speak. My camera's actually about to die, so I'm gonna pick you guys up after it's finished charging. But let me go ahead and finish this. Alright, so it is day 3 of us wrapping the car. As you guys can see, we got the stickers on the calipers now. This side is 80% complete, just have to do the skirts. Apply the door handles back on. Whole rear bumper is done. Trunk is finished. Now this side, we are not 80% done. We still have to do 2 doors and a skirt, but we did do the bumper already. This fender is done. And we have to do this hood, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this hood down, get this hood finished, and then wifey's gonna come out here and do this side.
Just feel like I need some me time. About that paper, I won't hesitate because I need mine. I can't be random, they just with me for the meantime. When they call my phone, won't think about it, I just decline. A lot of niggas don't stand on what they wreck, they just gon' keep lying. That's the truth. How you gon' tell me how to live? You ain't been through shit I've been through. Where I'm trying to be, I keep on grinding, I'm just living proof. They took my homie out the game, but I can't let him get to me. My homie never went to school, but he still got his first degree. I'm having combos in my head, just trying to see who I wanna be. I told my youngin' get a job, but he just want another bitch. You can try and go and leave, but they won't find another me. We had chop outs on the day, we just try to make it home. Sometimes I get inside my feelings, vent to the microphone. I'm thinking about my dad, sometimes I try to call your phone. You never know who really wish you until you didn't own. My already locked up for the fees, he ain't never home. That shit be ripping out in my heart every time he call my phone. I just keep my faith that one day Woody coming home. Get in my feelings, I pull phone inside my styrofoam. I'm always putting all this work and I'm coming for my throne. Through my life I had some dark nights riding down that road. For all the pain I felt, get diamonds with the rose gold. Just feel like I need some me time. About that paper I won't hesitate because I need mine. I can't be random, they just with me for the meantime.
Check it out. Wheels going back on. We wrapped the interior panels already. Gloss black. Stars is in there. Bless you. Jeez. Feel like a whole different car. We're gonna drop the car now, take it to our spot, take some pictures, show you guys the final results.
Yeah.
When they call my phone, won't think about it, I just decline. A lot of niggas don't stand on what they wreck, they just gon' keep lying. That's the truth. How you gon' tell me how to live? You ain't been through shit I've been through. Where I'm trying to be, I keep on grinding.
Alright, y'all, so this is the car. Check it out. This thing sounds crazy. She know how to strike her. Let me roll the back window up. Yo, chat, y'all got the key? But we're gonna hit you guys with a B-roll. Alright, YouTube, so we're gonna end the video here. Let me know down below what you guys think about the BMW. If you guys like the behind the scenes videos of us working on cars, let me know down below. I'll keep the videos coming out, but stay tuned for the next video. I will catch you guys on the next video.